Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the component and orienting it so you can work safely. This matters because thread direction and material affect technique. Once done, apply a small amount of penetrating oil where the protector meets the host, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and don a glove to improve grip. Then use a strap wrench or padded jaw wrench to get an initial bite. Turn slowly to feel whether the protector wants to break free or if it needs more soaking. You should now focus on controlled force. Apply steady, increasing torque while keeping the item stable. This prevents thread damage and reveals whether corrosion is the issue. If it resists, warm the protector with a hairdryer for 1 to 2 minutes to expand it slightly. Make sure surrounding materials tolerate heat. Once warmed, retry the strap wrench. If the protector is plastic, wrap a rubber sheet or tubing around it to prevent crushing while you turn. You finish by gently backing the protector off until it disengages. Once removed, clean the threads with a small brush and light oil so reassembly is smooth. If the protector still won't budge, repeat the oil and heat cycle, wait longer, and try a different gripping tool. Never hammer on delicate threads. If threads start to strip or the item is high value, stop and consult a professional. Forcing it can permanently damage the component.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.